Welcome, everyone, to your graduation. Hi, I'm Mr. Raymond Beck. Most probably would refer to me as Coach Beck, and I'm here in no official capacity. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for coming today to this different, unique commencement of sort, honoring you and your class of 2020. Your high school years have come to a close with a different ceremony where you got to walk your stage at your stadium. I mean, that was really going to an extreme to get out of being the first class to graduate at the grounds. Rather, you got to walk the stage at your football stadium and be the last class to do that. And you got to coin the term car parade, and you got to see the virtual commencement ceremony with your family, but you guys haven't had the chance to sit together and celebrate with others from your class, with your friends. So we hope tonight we will fill the void a little. It may be a few less people, but hey, it'll be easier to find everyone to give them a hug or a celebratory elbow. So let's begin the ceremony. I'm going to go right into introducing the graduates. Remember, you'll pause up here and have your time with your family. First row here, Carmina Lee Alves. Carmina has always loved school and has worked very hard both academically and athletically ever since she was a little girl. She was proud to earn a spot on the Woodcreek varsity golf team all 4 years and worked her way towards co-captain the last couple of years. She played varsity soccer for the school and this last year earned her spot to play for the DA soccer program with Placer United. Carmina is a smart, kind-hearted, and very hardworking. She loves giving back and volunteered many hours for the National Honor Society and CSF. She completed many AP courses and earned 4 academic merit awards the last 2 years. She loves so many of her teachers at Woodcreek High School, and like most, she is saddened that she was not able to say her proper thank yous and goodbyes. Carmina committed to UC Davis in the fall and plans to work towards a neuroscience and biology degree with the ultimate goal of becoming a neurosurgeon. We couldn't be more proud of Carmina and all of the seniors going through this 2020 series of events. We know that this will make them stronger, and it will for sure be a year to remember. Go Creek. Macy Rose Anderson. Macy was on golf team for 4 years, co-captain for 2 years. Team won CVC championship, first time in school history. Macy was the number 3 player in the league. Track team where she competed in high jump, long jump, triple jump, and pole vault. She was pole vault team captain. Macy loves her friends and hanging out, especially when they go to Dutch Bros, Chick-fil-A, or In-N-Out. Macy will be attending Hope International University in Fullerton, California. She received a golf scholarship and is super excited for her next chapter. Kaylee Darren Beck. Kaylee's so excited to be with her friends and able to celebrate their graduation together. This is killing me. I knew I'd find a job for you. Some of her favorite memories are going to Apple Hill, the 2020 New Year's party, and winning a league championship. Kaylee's a proud member of the National Honor Society, graduating with honors and a 3.47 GPA. Kaylee has also been awarded scholarships for the Elks Club in Roseville and the Scholarship Trust for the Hearing Impaired. Kaylee had a great senior year, all things considered. She helped lead high school volleyball team to the league championship and was awarded MVP of the Capital Valley Conference and All-Metro. Kaylee has accepted an athletic scholarship to play beach volleyball at the University of Southern Mississippi and will study kinesiology in the fall. Brenna Lane Berry. Brenna is our first Timberwolf to graduate from Woodcreek High School. She's an older sister to a freshman Timberwolf and an 8th grade Cobra. She is a loyal and trusted friend that always puts others first. She values all the friendships she has made during her time at Woodcreek. She's a 4-year member of Advanced Yearbook and has been dedicated to creating a lasting keepsake of memories for her classmates. She also was a member of the girls' freshman basketball team. Brenna will attend Sierra College in the fall with plans to transfer to the University of Hawaii, seeking a degree in travel industry management with a minor in early childhood education. Madison Bell Cahoon. Maddie has spent the last 4 years at Woodcreek enjoying her friends, classes, and making memories. She has spent 4 years in the marching band, concert band, and drumline. In the fall, Maddie will attend Sierra College, where she'll take classes to get into a nursing program. Congratulations, Maddie. Samantha Jane Duffy. Sammy Duffy is a student athlete graduating with honors and is a member of the National Honor Society. She has played basketball since she was 8 years old and was honored to be a Lady Timberwolf, playing in the girls program for all 4 years, including 2 years on the varsity team. Golf is another favorite sport for Sammy, where she played on the girls varsity team since her freshman year. As a senior, she decided to play lacrosse, making her a 3-sport athlete. Her next adventure is attending the University of Nevada, Reno with her twin brother, where she will study biotechnology. Olivia Morgan Evans. We are extremely proud of Olivia's accomplishments thus far and cannot wait to see what life has in store for her. She is a loyal, loving, kind-hearted young lady who cherishes her relationships and has always put others' needs ahead of her own. She loves to give back in any way she can. Olivia has cheered as a Timberwolf for 9 years, stunt for 3 years, instructed the WJT youth program for 4 years, National Honor Society, and yearbook staff. Olivia has consistently maintained a very positive outlook on life, and even through this difficult time has proven she can adapt in any situation and see the glass as half full. She's always a jokester, loves pranks, being social, and bringing the best out of people. As the oldest of 4, she has really paved the way and has been a wonderful example to her siblings. Erica Ann Hawks. Erica is the first of our 2 daughters to graduate from WHS. Erica has been a part of Advanced Yearbook the past 3 years and is the current editor-in-chief of the 2020 Lycos Yearbook. She has been staying busy at home editing pages to complete the yearbook. This past year, she's been part of the medical assistant program and has completed her externship working at multiple urgent cares in the area. Erica has been part CSF, NHS, and Key Club throughout her time at Woodcreek. Erica plans on attending Sierra College in the fall and with plans to transfer to university to become a nurse. Megan Elizabeth Capp. During her time at Woodcreek High School, Megan played trombone in the band program, including marching band, symphonic band, wind ensemble, and jazz band. She also competed in track and field for 2 years and cross country all 4 years. She was honored to be a cross country captain during her senior year. In addition, she was a member of NHS, CSF, and Key Club. Megan plans on attending University of Nevada, Reno, where she was awarded a presidential scholarship to study atmospheric science in the fall. Alexis Renee Mendonça. Lexi is our second kiddo to graduate from Woodcreek. She is a little ray of sunshine. She truly is everyone's cheerleader, always thinking of others and wanting to help. So that's why she chose to join student government. She did all 4 years and was commissioner for community services last year. She worked really hard on the canned food drive that benefited our local Salvation Army, and our school brought in around $10,000. Student government challenged her and showed her how to take initiative. She will truly miss the class and group of people most. Woodcreek is full of amazing kids, and we certainly wish all the seniors the best. Lexi will be attending Sierra College and deciding between teaching or something in the pediatric field, then transferring to a 4-year. McKenna Hazel Renault. Our beautiful daughter, McKenna Renault, will be graduating from Woodcreek High School, and we are so proud of her. She transferred here last year from Maryland and has made the most of her time with new family, the Timberwolves. She played on the varsity tennis team and earned the Most Valuable Player award, and went on to make the varsity basketball team, where they finished second in the league, and then finished out on the year on the dive team. McKenna has been able to maintain a 4.3 GPA, ranking her 8 out of 508 seniors, while being a 3-sport athlete, working and staying active in her church youth group. McKenna cherishes the friends she has made here and can't imagine life without them. The staff and students at Woodcreek have been truly amazing in welcoming McKenna into the family. She is looking forward to attending Grand Canyon University in the fall to study nutritional science. Christine Janae Shower. Christine is one of the kindest and strongest young ladies. She has been in the Woodcreek marching band and percussion all 4 years. Some of her favorite memories have been marching down Main Street at Disneyland all 4 years, and all the fun dances she's been to with friends. We are so proud of her and what she has accomplished at Woodcreek. She will be attending Haas Lee Academy in the fall, and we can't wait to see what her future holds. Emily Elizabeth Sharon. Emily has enjoyed her time at Woodcreek High School. She has made lasting friendships and wonderful memories. During these years, she has been a member of NHS CSF Speech and Debate. While on the Speech and Debate team, she qualified for Speech State Championship and went undefeated in debate. Emily has also been a part of the Woodcreek girls golf team the past 4 years. She received the Most Improved Golfer award her freshman year. In addition, she was a member of the dive team her senior year. Emily has worked hard these last 4 years, taking 9 AP classes and receiving 2 gold awards for academic achievement. Emily is very smart, kind-hearted, hardworking, and willing to give to her friends. She will attend Sierra College in the fall and then transfer to a 4-year university to major in speech pathology and audiology. Abigail Elizabeth Thomas. Abby Thomas loved her time at Woodcreek. Her favorite things are the friendships that she made and attending football games. She earned her Academic Merit Award and participated in marching band and winter percussion all 4 years. She is looking forward to attending UNR this fall to study nursing. She is moving from one wolf pack to another. Go Pack!
life's test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. Had the time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you. I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? I will remember you forever young. Will you remember me? I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. And I've had the time of my life. I hope you had the time of your life.
Will the graduating seniors rise? And the customary tradition of moving the tassel from one side to the other. May I present to you all in attendance, and for you girls, your Woodcreek in your class of 2020.
Is that not yours? No, I have my name in it. Just kidding. Look at that. We got my name.
Well, that's the end of the ceremony. We're going to go ahead and take pictures and things like that right now. So listen to some music and say hi and congratulate. Thank you.
Bob.